The digital era is here to stay. Technology has transformed several industries, including marketing. Just creating a website and a blog is not digital marketing anymore. The rise of social media and other digital platforms has changed marketing forever. Digital marketing has several facets today, including sales, email marketing, social media, and paid advertising. Digital marketing, when done right, can boost your business to the phenomenal heights. Despite its huge potential, only a very small fraction of the world's business are utilizing digital marketing. For a successful digital marketing campaign, you have to experiment all facets of digital marketing, track results, and identify the channel that works best for you. Wondering how you can do all this? Register to my online digital marketing course now to become a pro in just a few hours. We will also cover 100 tools that we use to stay ahead of all the competition. Join 7,000 plus professionals who have taken up the course and become a digital marketing expert now. Register yourself at www.animateuracademy.com.